So the Florida Tourism Board surveyed people of their favorite vacation cities, and half of the people said Orlando, and 1/4 said Miami, 1/8 said Kissimmee, 1/16 said Fort Lauderdale, and then 1/32 said Key West, and then the rest said Tampa. And if Tampa is specifically equal to 22 people, how many people responded to Orlando? So we have to figure out how many people are going to be left over that did not include all of these already. So we're going to have to add all these together. And in order to add these together, I do have to make them have the same denominator. And it'll be easy to make them all have a 32. So 1/2 is 16 out of 32. 1/4 would be 8 out of 32. 1/8 would be 4 out of 32. 1/16 would be 2 out of 32. And then you have 1 out of 32. And if we add that, we've got 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. 16 plus 4 is 20, and 8 plus 2 is 10. So that's 30 plus the 1, that's 31. So we have 31 out of 32% or 31 out of 32 have already been spoken for, which means that what is left for Tampa is 132, and that was equal to 22. So I need to figure out what I need to do. And, well, what did I do to 1 to get to 22? I multiplied by 22. So to find the total number of people, I'm going to multiply 32 times 22. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. Placeholder 0. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. When I add that, I have 704 people responded to the survey.